Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Chowdeck food delivery app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Chowdeck is a modern food delivery app that connects users with local restaurants for quick, affordable, and reliable service. The platform focuses on simplifying food delivery by offering real-time order tracking, flexible payment options, and exclusive restaurant deals, all through a clean, easy-to-use interface. Available on both iOS and Android, Chowdeck aims to make food delivery faster and more customer-friendly, especially in select cities where it operates. The app's main highlights include instant order updates, saved favorite restaurants, live delivery tracking, and no hidden markups on food prices. Users can also reorder past meals with one tap and enjoy loyalty perks from partner restaurants, making the experience smooth and consistent. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Chowdeck's accurate delivery timing, responsive customer support, and affordability compared to larger food delivery apps. It's especially liked for promoting local eateries and supporting small businesses through fair pricing and efficient logistics. However, there are a few limitations. Chowdeck currently operates in select regions, which means it might not be available everywhere yet. Some users have mentioned occasional delays during rush hours or a smaller restaurant selection compared to competitors. In summary, the Chowdeck app may be worth using if you want fast, local food delivery with transparent pricing, easy tracking, and community-focused service. However, if you're outside its service area or prefer more restaurant options, it may not replace your primary delivery app just yet. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.